Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy iOS Gaming here. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I made over $230 online just by watching videos. I'm gonna show you guys proof in today's video and how I made this money. I use almost 7 devices. As you can see, I got 7 Android devices right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. So let's get to this. You download the app called Perk TV Live, then you signed up, and all you do on these app is you watch videos. The apps run all day. Make sure you guys download Perk TV Live, because that's the one that's been working for me, and it will work for you as well. So as you can see, I got a bunch of devices. All right, so let's click on the video. Just click it, and that's all you do. You just click it. Let's just click that. And when you click it, it runs all day, all night long for days without you have to do nothing. And that's how I made money online with just, just watching a couple of videos. I didn't even watch them. I just press play on the videos and leave them running all day, all night long. So as you can see, they both playing ads right now, and each video when they play the ads, you get paid 2 cents per video. So now I'm gonna show you on the computer. Let's go to the computer. As you guys can see, let's go to Perk. All right, this is the website called Perk TV. As you guys can see, called Perk. And what I did was, this is my profile. All I did was watch video, and I come on here and check my earnings. So I'm gonna show you guys view profile. And as you guys can see, I've made over $233 on this website. And all I used was 7 devices. I have a couple more devices, but I run those on checkpoints. If you guys want me to do a video on checkpoints and how to set it up, just leave a like on this video and comment checkpoints, and you'll be good. I'll be uploading a new video. And I'm gonna show you guys, I made, as you guys can see, $233 just by watching a couple videos. And now I have, this is my points right about now, is $2.09. And I made this money real quick, guys. It takes me like 3 weeks. All I did was watch a couple videos, and these phones run all day. As you guys see, that's my Wi-Fi right there. It's my modem and my wireless router. So as you guys can see, man, look at that. You can go to watch and earn. But if you guys using devices, if you don't got no devices, you guys can go to perk.tv. Let's go to perk.tv. Go to perk.tv. I think this is where you watch the videos. Just sign up. I'm gonna leave all my links in the description, and all you do is click on the videos, click watch. When you signed up, just click watch, and that's it. The videos run all day, and you get credit for every single ad that plays. I advise you guys just to, I know you guys spend a lot of money each and every day, but if you put your money to good use, you will get success. I don't know if I should upgrade my farm, my money making farm, but I know it's a big way to put money in the phones, and oh, you're not gonna make it this much, oh, your videos are fake. That's what it is telling me. Comment below. But none of my videos are fake, guys. None of my videos are fake. I've made money. I show you live proof how I've been making money online with my smartphone and with just my computer. I've made over $25 with just my computer on this website called Earn Honey, as you guys can see. And this is the let's go to rewards history. Let's refresh the page. And then as you guys can see, I made $77 from just one website. And all I did was watch a couple videos. All I did was open a couple tabs. So while this website is making me money, the phones are making me money as well. But as you guys can see, I got $5 right here pending. And I got $10 pending. And I got another $10 right here. So in all pending, I got $25 pending. And they paid Mondays and Fridays, so I think I should receive my payment tomorrow. I'm gonna leave the link to this website in the description as well. And if you guys want to if you guys want to know how I make money with this so quickly, just comment below, you know, info or whatever. But I'm gonna leave the links down below. You guys can check them out, or just go to earnhoney.com. The website is free. You ain't gotta pay a penny. And I'm gonna show you guys one of my other money making website. Let's go to PrizeRubble. Man, I love PrizeRubble, guys. PrizeRubble is the best. It's the fastest way to make money is PrizeRubble. It is so awesome. Look at that. That's $10 right there, and I can cash out right now and get it instantly. And all I did was I come on here, I could do a couple surveys, and the surveys are easy, guys. Just click on one of these, Daily Gold or any one of these, and you guys can do a bunch of stuff, and you guys can make a bunch of money with this. But yeah, guys, it's really easy to make money online. But people, the quickest thing they gotta say, oh, it's fake, oh, this is fake, this is bullshit, and this is a waste of my time. If you guys making money, it is never a waste of time. You gotta put time into it. Nobody get rich ASAP. You have to put time in stuff that you do. I've made a lot of money off these websites. You feel me? I make a lot of money, and all I did was watch videos, and sometimes I do a couple offers, and you know, check out. I come on here every single day. As soon as I get off work, I come on here. I just got off work, and now I'm on the website again. I made money, but I work as well. And I'm here to help you guys. If you guys need help with anything, just leave a comment or ask them for my email, and I will give you my direct email. You guys can email me, and we'll discuss from there. You know what I'm saying? I would leave my number, but I can't, because that's my personal number. But if you guys want ways to make money online, just hit me up. I will give you tips and tricks that I used to make at least $25 a day with just one computer. I used this computer to make $77 in about 4 days, and that's really awesome. That is really awesome, guys. As you guys can see, these are the money making devices. These are devices I use on perk.com. They're awesome devices. These are the some ZTEs. I paid for this phone for about $8 on Best Buy on Black Friday. I bought 3 of them. I didn't get one because it didn't came in the mail. I use these for pickups, and I picked these up on Black Friday. These 2 right here, and these I just bought them at the dollar store. You can get these at the dollar store for like $18. And I have more devices, but I just use these for the videos. But yeah, guys, it's easy to make money online. It's so easy, guys. Let me do a cash out real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the reward history. Let's go to reward history. As you guys can see, click it and look at all these payments, guys. Look at all these payments. That's a lot of payments. Let's go to number 2. Look, I first started out with the Amazon and the PayPal. I just do Amazon and PayPal on here because I buy a lot of Amazon gift card. But as you guys can see, that's a lot of money right there. And I didn't even do nothing. All I did was press play on the videos and go to work. And I come back home and I have all this money I could just cash out every single day. But I'm gonna do a cash out just to prove to you guys. I'm gonna do an instant PayPal on PrizeRubble. You have to be, if you're a gold member, you guys get payment instantly. So sometimes if you're a silver, it's a little bit better, or yeah. I'm almost platinum. I just need 1,177 points to be platinum, or whatever that is. But you guys can enter to win. You guys can do surveys, offers, daily points, video walls, engage me videos. You guys can do tasks or surveys. If you guys do surveys a little bit faster, I think you earn at least $2 for a survey completed. And the surveys are easy, guys. But let's go to rewards. Let's do a $10 PayPal cash out. As you guys can see, they have a bunch of rewards on here. A bunch of rewards. As you guys can see, they got Walmart. But should I get let's get a PayPal. Let's get $10 in PayPal. And the thing I love about PrizeRubble, you can do custom amount. Let's do PayPal. Sorry for the long video, guys. Just bear with me, please. Let's click on custom amount. Let's go to PayPal. Let's go P. Let's no. Oh shit. I should enter a number. What the hell am I doing? Let's do $10. Boom. So for $10, I need 990 points. So I'm gonna just cash out the $10. Let's click claim this reward. Are you sure you want to claim this prize? Okay. And boom. As you guys can see, click below to share. I can share with y'all. I can share with friends. You know, all it's trying to say, I need to show off my prize, but I ain't got time for that. But as you guys can see, now I have $10 in PayPal pending right now. I just do a cash out. I'm supposed to get this today because it's instant PayPal cash out, but I can view it. I can view the Amazon. Let me show you that this is real. Let's click on one of the, all right, these are the Amazon gift card that process. Let's click this Amazon gift card. As you guys can see right here, these are the Amazon gift card codes. I advise you guys to get with this because the website is free. You ain't gotta pay for nothing. All you do, sign up with your Facebook account and start making money, and that's it. You watch a couple of videos, you can leave the videos running all day long. It is that simple, guys. It is that simple. I might make another video tomorrow when I receive the money from EarnHoney, from this website, EarnHoney right here. I might do a video tomorrow when I receive the payment, but I'm so tired of showing people payment proof for the videos because I don't upload bullshit ass video, guys. These videos are legit. I wouldn't just waste my time going on YouTube just to upload a video so that we can watch. It's free. All my videos are free, and all my videos are real. They are not fake. They are not bullshit. These are all payment proof, guys. These are all payment proof. You feel me? But anyways, I want to say thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. And I want to say welcome to the channel. We make money online. I want to give a shout out to all my subs and all my newcomers. I want to say thank you and Happy New Year's. And if you guys have any question, just leave a comment or I will give you my email. And thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day, guys. Peace.